So this video is going to walk us through the isothermal transformation heat treatment that we need to do for the 4140 steel lab in MSE 407. So you've already watched the video on austenitization or austenitizing a sample. We're heating it up to 850. One of your samples will be quenched directly from, and you've seen the quenching video, that goes straight into oil from 850. But the rest of your samples for the isothermal transformation group will be what we call isothermally transformed. So that implies that we've started with the austenite phase at 850, and then we move that sample as quickly as possible to another temperature. And so that could be 700 or 360, and there's the rest of the temperatures you'll see in the handout. But we move it directly from 850 to one of these other furnaces at the prescribed isothermal transformation temperature, and then we hold it for that amount of time before bringing it out, and to stop that transformation, we rapidly cool it to room temperature with our water bath. And so that's what we're going to do in this video. So same safety equipment as all of the other furnace videos that you've seen in this section. So we'll get suited up with that. And then we need our samples that are in the austenitizing furnace, and then we're going to transfer them to another furnace. So because I can't really talk while I'm doing the activities, we're going to just go through that here, and you'll see me doing the process, and then we'll wrap up after that's done. So just again, real quickly, we're going to take our samples, again, safely wearing all of our equipment, out of the austenitizing furnace and transport it to whatever furnace we have at that set temperature. So there's a 700, there's a 360 and a 460, I believe. They're all in your handout. And so we're going to move it to that furnace. So we're going to open the door here and then transfer it to another. And then after a set time, we're going to quench it in the water bath. All right, so I'll get set up for that, and I'll show you the process. I won't be able to talk during it, and then we'll wrap up after that's done. All right, so after they're done, they cool very quickly, so maybe give them a minute, and then they'll be cool. And then you're ready to move on to rinsing them in soap and water. And then from there, you can go ahead and do the oxide removal, because you'll see a lot of oxide on these samples. So just real quick, you'll kind of see that we want to clean off as much of this oxide as we can after these isothermal treatments that we've just finished. All right.